So yo, me ask you again. You know on the phone? I said no. And say, why your number?
Judge.
Me said, no, I'm on the phone. All of a sudden the man just start here. Me I look for the man and say, yo, Juvenile. You know on the phone?
Cha-cha. But I know what that is.
Yo, they're telling me I have an iPhone 4. Welcome to the Elliott podcast. I am here with my co-host Crooks.
If me, ooh.
Well, me no know. Me never did I expect that. Never did I expect that. But you know what me also never did I expect?
What?
To tell them people if you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I wouldn't really waste the time as usual. We're going right into the podcast. Grammy weekend is coming.
Yo, you know, say, to all things I move, I never ever realized that Grammy weekend I forward.
Because January feels so long, my youth.
There's so much things go on.
So much things are happening in January that may I lose track. Say, yo, wait, hold on. Grammy weekend now come. No, we're there at the end of January now.
That's crazy. 4 months later.
But actually, I gotta do a January recap. Maybe down more in the week.
Okay.
Yeah, but the people are commend us. Thank you, people. Thanks for the commenting on the consistency of the podcast that we've been doing. We've been trying, to get you guys regular content.
Straight.
And we're right on track. But this Grammy weekend, 2024 was such a busy year.
Such a busy year and a tricky. I don't even know who's nominated right now. Like who's going right now?
Well, everybody know for America. May I assume say Kendrick Lamar probably gonna win.
Yeah, it's looking like that. Maybe I could see that.
Yeah, him probably gonna win. Him probably gonna win. Not like us did too big last year for not win a Grammy.
And it's so crazy. It fell just before it was time for it to like get into the next year vibe. So him drop it just in time.
Yeah.
But it take over the whole everything that happened.
When did Not Like Us drop? That dropped like around when? Like summer?
I don't even want to say it was like near the end of summer.
Yeah, I know that song that did last forever.
Yeah, man. You heard it everywhere and the whole entire song too.
And him album when him drop, me not like this is a this world complications so heartache you only do what you know. Weekends get it popping along. Better days coming for sure.
If this world,
if it was up to me, not like
big tune.
Me listen since I know.
Yeah?
Me not care what nobody thinking of that. Me one of them man you know. You always
This is
think
a toxic in the dog.
me like it.
This is a toxic in the
Me
dog.
like it. I am a vivid sizzler and scissor. Me listen to some sizzler too. But I really scissor. Me like was some dog. Scissor to me is like, me feel like how scissor sing is what all women think. Me feel like every girl really think like that.
I see that. I could see that.
Me feel so.
I could see that.
The thing them what them I sing?
The little madness where she has is like
Diamond Boy. You know that one.
No.
Diamond Boy. Comment if you know Diamond Boy. I'm addicted to it. I'm addicted, that's why I keep calling you. Bad.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
But
didn't expect that.
Yeah. I am a Scissor, Summer Walker, Tiana Taylor. All of them crapper girls that were sound the same.
Yeah. Yeah, because they do kind of have that.
Yeah, me like them though. Me listen to them.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
You can hold some different vibes when you listen to them, son.
Who's nominated for like best album and thing right now?
Well, right now, dancehall. The best dancehall album right now is Cartel, Shensia, Cartel, Shensia, Calibuds, Bob.
Bob too? Still?
Bob Marley I got get nominated for every single Grammy every year.
Huh.
You think Cartel are going to win a Grammy?
I mean, that would be dope. I don't know if they'd give him though. I mean, if I remember, the Grammy is like the Grammy is a politics game, you know.
Yeah, but don't you think is the perfect optics right now for Cartel to win a Grammy?
It's the perfect optics for Cartel, yes. But it depends on whether or not Cartel has been playing the Grammy game. It kind of looked like he has been. Because for Grammys, it's a lot of people think it's like, having the best work. It's really like meet and greet and going to different mixers and meeting heads of labels and having those people vote for you. Because it's not regular people vote for you.
It's like artists and them people that vote.
It's people in the industry that have worked on other Grammy records. Other Grammy projects. So if you never work on a project that was nominated, you can't vote.
So it's only the Grammy people work for Grammys.
Only the Grammy committee vote on who gets a Grammy.
So if I don't like you, you might never win a Grammy.
You might never win a Grammy. If I don't like you, you might never win a Grammy. If I don't know you, you might never win a Grammy. Like, I'd have to know you personally. That's why
man like the greatest artist of all time. Me not say all time, of my time. Because to me, the greatest artist of my time is Chris Brown.
Yeah.
Yeah, I honestly don't see nobody come even. Well, Drake is not far off. And a lot of people would have put Drake in front Chris Brown.
Why? No, did he? God, did he would I do that?
I tell myself, I'm done with it. I'm done with why.
All right, so we need to start adding. Maybe start in the next video. We need to start adding like a why counter on the videos. For every time a why thing pop up.
Every time there's a why conversation.
Yeah, you just
we'll do that.
You see me? Chris Brown. Would I say Chris Brown? I think Chris Brown is probably the best altogether.
The best all-rounded artist.
Yeah, I would. Yeah,
in my generation.
Yeah, I would have. Yeah. It's kind of hard for dispute. A lot of people go vex with it though.
Which is why I feel like the music industry sound off to me with like streaming and them thing there.
Yeah.
Because when I look upon the streams where everybody else has streamed, and then me look and see Chris Brown in our stadium with 100,000 people a night.
Yeah.
Like the match not matching with the people where the record selling is taking place.
Yeah.
When they're not getting physical people like Burna Boy.
Yeah. So
Burna Boy only do stadium, you know. So, Burna Boy and Bad Bunny.
So that is the trick, right? 'Cause Bad Bunny, if I'm not mistaken, was the last year the top selling touring artist, if I'm not mistaken. You can fact check me on that. But streaming is is a lot of work behind it, you know. There's stories that I've heard in the music industry, bro, where people are like, them excited because them song go #1.
Yeah.
And them call them manager or them label head for say, yo, you see my thing, my thing gone. And they're like, yeah, because we paid them to put that #1.
Oh, so are we hurry up and push it go #1
yeah,
still,
we pushed
enough?
it to #1. We paid. All right. How you think a song premiere at #1?
Me feel like the song would have dead for a while. Oh, right. You premiere.
You premiere at #1. Remember, there's songs that release and they're just the #1 song, you know. Immediately, you know, work it way up. It no build up. It just premiere and it's the #1 song.
So me never yet even listen to this song, but I just #1.
At the #1. Money, man. You see me? And you will give yourself as the listener the benefit of the doubt for say, Oh, maybe me just no know.
Maybe me not know streams. Maybe them
maybe
do something me not know.
Me just never hear that song, and maybe this song blew up somewhere else. You'll give yourself the benefit of the doubt to say that you just never know. And they can present a song to you. And for say, yeah, man, that song yeah tear up Europe and Russia and yeah, man, and the biggest
yeah, so maybe some boy have a Ghana stream that, man.
yeah, you know, and then we just tell you, say, yeah, the number one song. Money run everything, bro. Especially in the music industry.
Boy, the way me look into it. Cartel, Shensia, Calibuds, Bob Marley, and the Wailers. Bob Marley, the soundtrack for the music video?
Oh, that nominated for a reggae Grammy?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's low-key kind of crazy.
So now we are looking into it. No, albums, right?
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna lie and say me know none of them album there.
I don't know. The only album that I can say I've listened to some of was Shensia's album. If I'm
Me listen to Hit or Run on the album there.
Yeah. I've listened to a couple songs.
I gotta go listen to it. Oh, never they pan that, right? Never.
Yeah.
I like that one. That's not bad.
What the next one name? Tap Out and them. Yeah.
Me even stop singing the song them every time. Yeah. Like me ever sing them for remember them.
Yeah, I feel like you
yeah, but me even stop. Me even stop that.
But I've heard some of Shensia stuff. I think Shensia have a chance, considering how her networking and touring thing situation has looked. Calibud's kind of been working that market for a little bit.
Calibud sing, finally the herbs come around. Yeah, man. This man is from, where is he, German?
No, I think about Gentleman. Calibud's is from Bermuda, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if I'm Bermuda, but one of them other island there, as Jamaicans call it, one of them small island there.
Boy, you know, if you live in the Caribbean, if you live in the Caribbean and you know come from Jamaica, Haiti, Puerto Rico, and Cuba, small island, you live in my boss. Sorry, Trinidad. Small
island. Do you even talk about Tobago?
Bahamas.
Yeah, man. Not even mentioned.
Barbados.
Yo, why? Speaking of Trinidad, why you do Tobago so? Nobody not talk about Tobago, you know?
Yo, me never ever hear a person tell me say them come from Tobago. Hey, Trinidad people, big man thing. What they at Tobago? Who know? What take place at Tobago? Every person, I'm from Trinidad. Me never meet a Tobago person.
Never.
What they at Tobago?
I don't even know. I have no idea. I've never met a Tobagan.
Is that a thing, right? Tobago.
Why?
Hey, me even want to get it wrong, you know, but hey.
If you're from Tobago.
Make you know.
Please.
Make you know in the comments, you know? Tobago.
Yeah. But I think Calibuds have a chance. Well, all of them people that have a chance still.
If Cartel win the Grammy, you know.
That'd be crazy.
If Cartel win the Grammy, me feel like he would have deserved. He probably would have get the one for when did have for the album when they release from prison with Fever upon it.
Yes, I think that should I get one for sure.
Yeah,
I feel like
probably
that should
be like,
one.
yo, yeah, man, you know, the time is right now, and what is due to Caesar, give it to
just
Caesar.
Out of respect, them just
you
kind
know?
of like a legacy kind of title right now. Where can you deserve it.
Grammy a lifetime achievement still in a dog.
True.
Grammy, like for win a Grammy, like. When I Grammy, I'm going to put that up in my house. Well, that's true, I'm not the music still, but Jano.
Yeah, I mean, as I say, it's more of, right now, if you decided to drop a tune and just like do the networking and meet and, dog, you could get a Grammy next year.
Man, make Grammy sound easy. Yes, no. Just drop a song.
You should, all right, drop a song, and just have it be a very good, very, ready song for the ears of the audience.
Crooks.
And then just...
Crooks. I mean, you want people laugh off of Crooks.
I mean, what's the worst that could happen? What's the worst that could really happen?
You don't know what Jamaican people do. You don't know what a Jamaican person make you feel low, you know.
Dog.
Stick to comedy. A Jamaican man never tell you to stick to. Stay there, Leon, brother. This is my lane. This is my lane.
Yo, people, in the comments, make we know if Dale for drop a song. We'll try to get Dale for drop a tune.
Drop a backside. Me want drop a conky there.
Dog, could I get a Grammy next year, no dog?
What the hell me that sing about? The
Dog,
backside.
We'll see.
Dog, me na my right lane. Comedy and my thing.
But all I say is if you work the
Play the
network
Grammy
and if you play the Grammy game, it's easy for kind of get one, you know? You just shake hands and meet and greet and you go to the mixers and you have cheese with the white people, them man. You know,
Easy.
Easy.
But generally still more I start do some different things than my youth. Me I look upon different things for doing a comedy.
Yeah.
Like, can you imagine like me all do like a suppose we have like a pop the balloon challenge. You don't do a pop the balloon challenge?
John, no. Would I do a pop the balloon challenge? Boy, I feel like it depends on where. Cause as a bigs, me already get popping a dog. You see me? As a bigs. Them already pop them balloon for me, dog.
Boy, dog says a big zim already get pop.
Jano.
Bombard.
That's another Y counter. That's another one to the Y
Run
counter.
out of the Y counter as a big zim already get pop. Me think we could do it. Me think we could do a me da do a pop the balloon challenge. Me actually wonder which side me da dey on. Me da want be the one where I do the choosing though. Cause me even make them girls that don't talk.
As in you'd want to be holding the balloon or you'd want to be the one that walks out?
Me want be the one where I walk out.
Gotcha.
Any girl let me see. If you
just
pull
have
up,
to walk out and just immediately start
you pull up in a Skechers, pop. Yeah.
All right. What would be an immediate? What things would be an immediate pop?
The fashion over mesh clothes where them girl are
The wrestler outfit them with the thing on the side.
pop.
Judge.
Because I know what kind of girl that is from. Hey, you out there. If you wear that fashion over mesh type clothes where them girl are wearing, them look good enough. But me can't trust you. For where that come out of your house,
Oh no, man.
it's too revealing.
Criminal. That's criminal.
Give me a balloon and pop it.
Immediately. Go on home.
And
Go
if you
on home.
and some of them girls will wear like the shoes them or the slippers them, and then when you look, it's like you see them toe barely a touch the ground.
Oh, like the toe just a hang off, just
Pop.
like a immediately.
Pop.
Judge.
May I pop that?
All right, so you know what I mean? Like, you ever see the girl them will wear the like a stringy shoes them, but the string now hold on the leg? Pop
And the
immediately.
wrap come all up at the front.
Yeah, man. The wrap all out, drop down like shoesless.
But remember now, we can't only talk about the girl them because you have some man who wear some mad kind of dressing.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I've seen some craziness.
You have some man who do, like the moment you see them, you can tell what kind of person them is based off how them dress.
Like what?
I not trust a man who wear a congal.
No. Not in this day.
Like, why you wearing a...
Flat cap.
Why would you wear a congal? But don't
Why?
trust you.
Yeah, that just give all creepy vibes still.
But don't
Yeah.
trust a man where wear him pants foot them like 3/4 and then tuck in him t-shirt.
Tucking t-shirt is crazy.
That nigga got to go.
Tucking t-shirt is diabolical.
Get that man out of here. We can't. Anytime you see
t-shirt
them
is
man,
crazy.
you just know what kind of person them is.
I think if you wear sandals inside, like you're going somewhere and you decided to put on sandals, as a man, I feel like you need to go.
Yeah, them man they wear go out in a slippers.
Yeah, you need to go. I feel like you need to go.
Me know them are do something. Them
You need to go.
that people wear, you know. People wear. I feel like LA is where I see like the weirdest set of dressing. And even America, like Jamaica will shame you for dress bad.
True.
In America, I feel like the weirder you dress is the cooler you is, apparently.
Especially in LA. Don't get me wrong, you know. Me see some crazy dressing at Jamaica still, you know. I see some dressing where wouldn't fly America still, you know.
Yeah, but at least I feel like the dressing a foreign kind of just disgusts me.
All right. Yes, I understand the complexities of the shots with the baggy hoodie with the big red boots.
Yeah.
You see me?
Like, how you even put that together?
Bro, you know what it is? I think people in LA play the fashion thing on such a high level that them feel like them can't wear nothing normal. Them can't just wear a pants and a shirt and
like
call it a day.
Like them clothes are for dirty. Them have to make sure say, yo, if me I wear that jeans right now, it have for vintage.
Yeah, man, it have for either vintage.
Me have to cut it up.
Something have for something about it.
Me have to run a knife through it and...
Brother, so I say people that sell vintage Levi denim jacket, man. The thing barely a hold on. Some safety pin a hold it together.
But you know what's funny? Me feel like, say, yo, that couldn't fly at Jamaica. You know where couldn't fly at Jamaica? This whole thrift shopping.
No, thrift shopping couldn't go on in Jamaica.
But big man thing, me can't see myself I do. The man them have a thrift shop.
Mm-hmm.
In a Jamaica, just imagine a store at Jamaica where you walk in and buy clothes where people wear already.
Yeah, buy all clothes. Jamaicans don't buy all clothes, dog. Jamaicans don't want all clothes for free.
Exactly.
We don't want all clothes for free.
You know what they call it? Pupina. You can't give me no pupina, Bridgin. Don't come from foreign and carry no pupina, come give me. Bridgin, you're pupina that.
That's wild. That's a wild way to look at it, dog. That pupina, bro. That's crazy.
I really think about it. Like, if you get a pants from somebody, you know.
Yeah, them pupina that.
You're
for
fat.
sure.
Them fat tonight, you know.
For sure. But see, here's the thing now. All right. What catch you with America is how fancy does the clothes have to be before it stop being pupina.
Yeah.
You see what I said? That's how LA catch you. Like, all right, it's a pupina still, you know. But it's a Versace.
Yeah, it's a Versace pupina.
It's a Versace pupina. You see what I say? And I just $15.
Brother, people America take fashion to a level where me not really feel like Jamaica we not really care about that.
Yeah.
Right now I feel like Jamaica still do the Gucci and the Louis thing.
Mm-hmm.
And me not feel like that a really high fashion over here no more.
I mean, that's a like mid-range fashion now.
Like man I wear some crazy me see man I wear like all water boot Gary Road them I.
Yeah, full water boot, you know, bubble jacket,
crop top.
Oh, with the pearls, bro. With the pearls, dog. And the man have like a tote bag. It's crazy.
Me not care what nobody say no, brother. Can't get me buy nothing but chromat, you know. $7,000 for y'all one little ring. For steel. For steel rings, steel jewelry. Steel, me could have thief off a site at Jamaica.
Not gold, not
silver.
precious, nothing. Just steel. Regular steel.
And people literally like have that and say, yeah, I'm cool. Mad.
Yep. That's how them catch you. So that's how them catch you with the fashion thing.
Fashion
right?
is trends.
Is trends, and you're competing against other fashion heads. So everybody can wear a jeans. What different about your jeans? So your jeans could have looked just like my jeans, but my jeans are the...
Yo, me feel like me have a fashion picture. Me have a swag them picture when me did have one time.
Yeah.
when me used to be a fashion man.
Yeah.
Me need to find my fashion man picture. Let me see if me get lucky. No, man, one time I was a fashion man in the dog.
Brother, Mother Road.
Brother, me used to buy my clothes them at Dre, you know, Fish by Dre. Mad. I have to find them. I have to link back my brethren them for that. I can't, I don't know.
Find it.
Yo, I send you one of my swag done old picture them. Yo, people.
You said it?
Yo, pull that up. Pull up the swag done. Pull up the swag done. We now start more to see the swag done. Make nice see the swag. Swag!
Bumbucker. Look on the brother, man.
That is swag.
Look at this brother.
That is swag.
Jaja, what that you have? Is that a Michael Jackson shirt?
Brother, I can't wear Michael Jackson shirt and I have on and I bought it out so.
Is that the
No,
Michael?
that's a Gangnam style. That's Gangnam style.
That look like Mike, yo, from yesterday. That look like Michael.
No, that's Gangnam style. That's Gangnam style. Stop showing the people at me now. Stop showing the people at me. Boy, yo, boy, she would have killed me a while ago if I did wear a Michael Jackson shirt that terrated. No,
I wish it was.
One time was the coolest thing I rode, man.
Say, nobody could tell you nothing.
Coolest thing I rode. Nobody couldn't tell me, say, yo, me no fresh. Dog, when me used to buy my rope chain, them, dog.
Crazy.
Some rope chain in a dog and some tight pants, no? Dog,
what kind of pants?
Some tight pants. Me can't even pronounce them pants, but some tight.
Jaja.
Brother, some pants that we have to jump for put on, you know?
Them era.
Me don't know what did I got through my mind. Me,
that was fashion.
Me did I got through the mind. Me did I got through, you know, you're a jerk, I know. You're a jerk, I know.
Yeah.
Jerk. Brother, you see when my knees them be the, hey.
Not have much time left for that, you know.
Is it?
You don't have much time left for that, you know.
You need them soon crystallize, you know.
Mine gone.
You're gone up. Remember you're 40, you know.
Oh, yeah, mine gone. That's why I want you from now, so you don't have much more time for kick.
Me feel like knee problem, yes, you get it with age, but I also feel like exercise have a lot to do with your knee problem.
Absolutely.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
Brother. Only time you bend down when food drop, you know.
I'm not bend down, my wife bend down.
You know what I mean? Like lean forward. You know? You lean forward like take a bottle of water. You know? Lean forward.
Boy, you know. What's so good now? Food nice, you know, dog.
But not like food nice.
Food
too.
nice, bro.
But not like, I don't know. Every time you hear people talk about like, yo, diet and all them things. I mean, I say, yeah, man, me I do it, man. No.
Here what? You're fortunate that you have been training all your life. I have not been training all my life.
You been a trained for eat.
I mean, I was training at one point for rugby, but
Me see you being a good rugby player.
yeah.
Yeah, you'd have been the man with like black people.
Yeah.
Like stop people from getting to the people who actually can play.
Yeah.
The one when on a talent would just put you out there and just say, yo, you just put your hand forward and people are gonna try pass you.
Boy,
and you just stop them.
That sounds like somebody will never play rugby yet.
Not necessarily. Rugby is like NFL, right?
Kinda, in a way.
Exactly. Rugby have a O-line.
No, it have a scrum.
Is there anybody, rugby don't have a quarterback?
No.
So what want to do?
I mean, there's different.
Is there anybody important in, like, who's the most important person on the field in a rugby?
I don't remember what them name. The brother is kind of like a quarterback. He's like a quarterback type fella.
Somebody's supposed to protect him, right?
No, not necessarily. Him for just run. Nobody's protecting anybody in rugby.
Rugby sound like foolishness. no disrespect to rugby.
Every sport is foolishness, bro.
No disrespect to rugby.
What sport is not foolishness?
Football.
How is football not foolishness?
It's 2 goals and there's a ball and all we can dribble is 11 aside.
That make it make sense?
It's fair. It shows teamwork. You know?
Rugby also shows teamwork.
No, rugby I just some man I run up on them, brother. Every time I say a rugby man, rugby people all shape weird. If you play rugby out there, sorry. You're not ready yet. Come with one other sport, Virgin. You choose rugby? Come on.
You never play rugby yet. That's why I said that to them.
Every time you see a rugby man, him look constipated.
Yeah, because he's probably very injured.
Why me I go play a sport where me can't shit?
I mean, I don't know.
Exactly. Rugby not ready, dog. Rugby not my thing.
The whole heap of sport, bro. People play NFL and, them get brain injury.
Yeah, but me like NFL.
Yeah, you just haven't watched rugby. You don't know anything about rugby.
Brother, rugby boring, bro. Me know the Springboks.
How you like NFL and rugby boring?
Because NFL is one quarterback, the wide receiver, them flashy and bossy. The running back fast. Me can run, me can knock you out.
So you like the spectacle of NFL?
Me like the competitiveness of NFL.
Yeah, but rugby is also competitive.
Not ready to, no.
How is rugby not competitive?
I never yet hear 5 man say, yo, me could go watch a rugby game, you know?
Because you're not pairing with people who watch rugby.
Who watch rugby?
European people.
Australia, them there.
Australia and England.
Me never there England and man say, yo, me could go watch rugby.
Because you pair with soccer people.
Don't do that again.
All right, see?
Don't do that. Correct yourself. Correct yourself. Correct yourself, please. Just correct yourself, no? Correct yourself. It's football. Don't do that again.
I apologize
It's
to all
football.
my football people.
Football people.
Apologize to all my football people.
Football
It's
people.
football. I
Sorry.
didn't mean to call it soccer.
Don't do that again.
I don't want to upset the hooligans. I mean no harm. Big up on yourself. You see me? Which team of a big up?
Arsenal.
My ear said I've never win nothing in like 20 years though.
But you never play a sport in your life.
I have played. We just talk about the sport that I played.
Tell me the team where you used to play for.
Judges.
Fact check.
Fact check it.
You used to go Judges?
Yeah.
I think I
For
can't
like 2
used
years.
to go.
Me used to go Arden and then I went to Judges sixth form.
So you're that bright.
Jaja.
That's why this man is such a nerd. You used to go Arden.
Yeah.
All right. I see it now.
Yeah.
Up road.
Yeah.
How much subject you get?
6.
How you get 6 subject and you used to go Arden?
Why? I was one of the dunce on them.
You must have done this more than Arden.
So I never know. So me did feel dunce. I did feel super dunce. No disrespect to any of my schoolmates are. You see me? But
Yeah.
I felt very dunce until I went to Judges. I went to Judges and I felt like a complete imbecile.
Wait, I can't. wait. You felt very dunce at Arden.
I felt very dunce at Arden. And then I went to Judges.
And you feel bright?
I felt brighter. Jano.
I feel like you just did a talk about how brighter you feel leaving Arden and going to Campion.
Going to
Judges.
Yeah.
That's disrespectful to the Georgians.
Yeah, that's why I said big up. You know, no.
I have to post this part.
no disrespect. No, because, you know, at Arden, you left Arden with 6 subjects.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Like
you're an imbecile.
you
Might as
really
well, you know
only
what I mean?
leave. You get any ones?
Yeah, I got 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 3s. And them time that when we get the 2 3, the 3 didn't even count. Somebody even really.
But so you get 4 subjects in a year time.
Yeah.
When it is 60, 1970 something?
2005.
What them they call it when you do 60?
It was CXC then. It didn't become. You did CSEC, right?
What you did do?
I did CXC.
What?
I did CXC.
Which C? When Columbus he come?
I know you do CSEC, you know, because your time was.
Me do CXC.
You did CXC? No.
What
way.
the difference?
I mean, them change the name, I don't know, you know.
Me do CXC 2014.
That's crazy.
Yeah, me do CXC 2014.
9 years after.
Yeah, me get 8 subject.
Okay.
I'm gonna get. Me get 2-1, 5-2. No, me only get 1-3. Me only get 2-1, 1-3, and the rest of them was
And
2.
be 2. Okay. Do you feel like you needed any
Man,
of
me
those
no know
things?
nothing. Hey, get your education.
Yes.
Get your education. But I'm just letting you know that an education makes you trainable. You know, it's the networking where you get from education help you move forward. But I personally may employ the things them when we learn, the practices of school into the real world.
Yeah.
Not necessarily the paper. But me learn, like, you know, how to deal with people, how to balance my account, them little things that me learn that from school.
Yeah.
That is how I apply it in a day-to-day life. But me never use Pythagoras theorem ever.
Well, I guess we're not building a pyramid on them something, so we're not going.
Yeah, so
We're not gonna ever
in
need
terms of that, no make no sense. But me did dance for a while, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, me did get right around CSEC time.
Wow. So
Me
you
dance
just,
right up.
So you just skated all the way.
Let me show you
through?
how dance me was. Me used to go Meadowbrook
Okay.
first.
Mhm.
And me get expelled from Meadowbrook.
Why?
Yeah. So me did get me get expelled from Meadowbrook. And me go Casey.
Yeah.
No, them say, yo, deal, we're going to have to repeat you. So they make me repeat 9th grade
Okay.
at Casey. When me repeat 9th grade, bear in mind that I did all of 9th grade at Meadowbrook. Now, me I do 9th grade again.
Yeah.
Still,
So you're like the old guy in 9th grade.
No, not at Casey. No. I can't see.
In Arden, you'd have been the old guy.
I can't see roughly all the way at the same age, you know that.
Okay.
Like, yeah.
Okay.
But when I go KC in a 9th grade, thinking that, yeah, man, me do 9th grade already, this is easy. But it done same way.
Jaja.
Still did it at the bottom of the barrel, a fight same way.
You did it all over again and still had no idea.
Me do 9th grade 2 times. I said, me see this already. Hear me now? Yeah, man, me can just read my own 9th grade book then. But me remember, I said, wait, me never do nothing last when me did there at Meadowbrook for even reading a book. Big up Meadowbrook still.
Wow.
But if me never go KC, boy, I don't know what me don't know what me that turn out right now if me never transfer and go KC.
So you just waited until 5th form.
Yeah.
Take it any kind of serious.
Yeah, because I remember turning 18 in 11th grade. And then the man them call me sir. All of my brothers them start calling me sir.
That's crazy.
I just 1 year, you know. I just repeat by 1 year.
Yeah, you're a big man now, man.
So what me did do for combat that after 11th grade, me never go 6th form. Me go pre-UA. And then me do both capes, unit 1 and unit 2 in the same year.
Okay.
So me did double up. So me end up with 5 cape.
So you really was nuts the entire time and then became brilliant in like a 3-year span immediately?
Yeah. Because one, me didn't want to catch up with my friend them.
Yeah.
Because the man in my Meadowbrook.
Oh, them done.
It's like them done. Them have the 2 year at 6th form. So when me in a lower 6, them in a upper 6. So in my mind, how me did I go combat that was, okay, then let me do Cape unit 1 and 2 in a 1 year. So when them take for the 2 year,
you just
mash it up me do history unit 1 and 2, sociology unit 1 and 2, literature unit 1 and 2.
Wow.
And then me do Carib studies.
Damn.
So me do all that in a 1 year.
Wow.
And then get in a UE. So I start UE with them.
So your drive really started there.
For catch them up back. yeah. Everybody I get them CXC and man I say, yo, my boss say I have school of man, I study. Man, I said, damn. She me that kill me.
You're like, no.
Me catch up back. But definitely still, me don't tell any man my youth, go to school, get a degree, but learn a skill.
I would say learn a skill and also be nice to people and stay in touch with your friends.
For high school?
Not necessarily high school, but people that... Because you never know, You never know how your friends might...
You never know your friends might turn out. Can you know a funny part?
Turn out.
When I would say that I thought that Meadowbrook, I thought them the brighter than when me go KC. Because when me go KC, I just bear boys. I would just an eagle.
So
I mean, I care about track and field, and then that's all me care about, sports. And it's funny enough, majority of my KC friends right now, when we used to do track and field with, are doing well. The man they make a video a day with like about 5 or 6 of my KC friend them. I say, yo, I am such and such. I am a lawyer. I am such and such. I am a pilot. I am such and such. I am a physician. Blah, blah, blah.
Sick.
But me have a couple of Meadowbrook friends who are do good.
Yeah.
But my KC friend them, especially my track and field friends, when we did that, where people would expect, say, yo, as tracksman, we not really do nothing. All the way have with degrees. All the way. Whether we come to America, get with degrees, or we stay at Jamaica and get with degrees, but all the way have with degrees and finish college and everything. And every man in them respective field. Me kind of feel shame all the while, because when them say when me do, me say, I'm a comedian, but you know what I mean?
Yeah. It's like, banana.
It's like, you know, me not,
banana document for say.
But me I do something.
Yeah.
But me have my degree too, but no, me glad. So that are the difference me feel with KC.
Yeah. Versus Meadowbrook.
Yeah. Now everybody had the well respectively, but no, there was something. There was a drive where KC have where.
Yeah, I mean, You know what KC move like a cult, you know, from my experience at George's, you know. KC have a cultish kind of vibe.
I think Casey is a personality thing. I think
I want KC move like a cult, dog. When you talk about the bleed purple and them kind of stuff.
I don't think it's a cult. 'Cause look,
That's cult behavior.
I never passed for Casey.
Yeah.
But when me go there, me learn certain principles and values where it's still embedded in my
So now that
personality to
cult,
today.
man.
But that not mean
That's what. Not for me a bad cult, you know, but it's a cult.
it's not a cult.
Me I tell you, bro, KC is a cult, bro.
You never apartheid at that. You have to be a
No,
you didn't have to walk through the walls of Kingston College to understand the greatness.
this does sound like cult talk. You have to walk through the
Yeah.
halls of the great temple.
Yeah, if you never sit down in a holding or Gibson,
I get it.
Francis, Clark,
I get it.
Miller, McDonald. You don't know.
Yo, the comments about to go crazy with purple hearts and them together. Be a purple heart when we jump in that comment. No.
Yeah, man, but big man thing, it's special. It's a special thing. College man around the industries right now, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. In every industry, in every big industry, in Jamaica right now, there is a college man pan tap.
There's a bunch of people where them go for them school, but them it's like them legacy, they are our next school. Arden used to do that all the time, because I know say Arden now.
Mm-hmm.
Arden don't have no option when it comes to sports day.
One time I remember going to Arden, I would think we'd drop 8 love. We'd like 8.
That sound
in a football, we'd like 8.
That sound like what would I go on for we? You can't test your school's challenge quiz still.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
We might be can't test you. Come on. Come on. Hey.
Respect to Casey. But I think we all know. Sure, football, track and field.
Hey, editor. Please Google who has won the most school challenge quiz in the history of Jamaica.
Let's go.
And put the camera to me. Put the camera upon me too.
Because there's no way. Schools challenge quiz Jamaica.
I'll wait.
Yeah, man. Mm-hmm. Make we see. Come on. We're gambling here. Who? Bumbleclot. All right. 11 time. How much Arden win? It not said, oh. Bad man. 6 time. I don't like what we think since we left. Jay go second. Somebody want to look for it. Somebody want to look for it. All right, things changed since me left. When I was going to school back in the day, there was no way.
I really wish we could have gone back to 2005 to see if... Yo, just go and look for it. We can continue the conversation.
There was
but
no
I
way.
want to know when the things did change. When Arden have more school challenge quiz than Casey. That is what I want.
Back in the day, man.
Back in a which day? When Wappy did a kill Philip?
May I tell you, remember a time?
There was never a time.
There was never a time.
There was never a time. That's why I make you shame yourself. Make you continue and just go on, because I know say this never end well. This never did end well.
All right, maybe my memory. Is it me? But spelling bee, you can't test upon spelling bee though.
Bro, nobody cares. I know me can't spell Wednesday. To this day.
So I want to win schools challenge quiz. The boy may I tell you about life.
It's just an amazing organization to be a part of, and I'm very proud that I got to do my 4 years there.
Cult behavior.
Listen?
Cult behavior.
So it beat. You want to talk about cult behavior? If me alone.
Jaja.
But me I go watch, man. Me I go start with some different things, man. What day me I watch? Deal or no deal?
Yeah.
You talk about gambling.
Yeah, but I go on that show there. I feel like I go on that show there. I'd go on a game show. I don't know if I'd go on like a reality show.
Me no deal or no deal, me da lose. Because me play that
You're
right
going
down
to the last case. That's your problem.
Me are the last. For me, deal or no deal, you see the case when I walk go pick for myself.
Yeah.
I that the million there now. And them have to show me. Them have to show me. Say.
You're going to ruin your opener like $600, you know. You're going to vex.
Suppose I go there with less than that.
I mean, I guess.
That is how a gambler tell himself to feel better, you know.
Yeah, I forward with $200, so it's not so bad.
What me used to do, me used to like look. Me used to look for when me a gamble.
Mm-hmm.
And say me a gamble and it reach back. Say me a gamble and it reach a grand.
Mm-hmm.
What me normally would I do is like say, no, but me only come here with 2 bills. So that 800 I not really mine.
So you can gamble off the rest of that 800 then.
And yeah. that used to be how me tell myself, say, yo, yeah man, me come here with 2 bills. And although
so if
me
you're left with 2 bills, you're good.
If me left with 2 bills, me not lose.
Wow.
And my money till me walk out of the casino.
So you never think, let me just walk out with that 800, with that extra 800 there, and just
no,
up.
No, no, no.
Damn, bro.
The world don't work like that. The world don't work like that. We have to take stages. Give me some time.
I feel that. Okay. But
you feel? All right. I find the worst one, you know. I find the worst one. I find the mecca of wild lyrics.
Of wild dance, like dancehall lyric?
The mecca.
Which one?
Either one, yeah. So Black Rhino have a song. You know Bite Back?
Yes.
So in Bite Back, Black Rhino said, me is a boy, me na ramp up. When me done ride, belly feel cramp up. What do you mean by that?
What do you mean? When what?
Black Rhino, what do you mean?
What happened?
Yo, man said.
Wait a minute.
Man said. Me some boy me da ramp up when me done right belly for your cramp up.
Jaja.
Yo.
Who cleared that? Who cleared the lyrics there?
Who look for the lyrics there? I said, yo, this body no.
Yo, yeah, man. I saw where I start that verse there, you know.
Yo. Me need to can have a sane conversation with people.
Without having to why everything.
Without having feel like why up everything, my youth.
I mean, there's some things that just, all right. Like hot dogs are completely that dead. Certain things like even as a man, it just why for do. Like you can't eat a hot dog, you can't eat a...
Can't bite a banana.
You can't bite a banana.
If you broke it with me, man.
Yeah, man. Or you have to have a knife and slice it or something.
Me nah cut the banana with a knife, virgin. Me a bite my banana. Look. Me a bite my banana. Even the action there a while ago. Me a bite my banana. You out there. No, stop me from bite my banana. Me tell you no foolishness. Me done with this. Enough is enough. Me want a fruit. Me a bite my banana. What's that money I laugh?
I mean,
I want to make people afraid for talking, you know.
But here's the thing, bro. You know what's crazy right now? You can't go to a barbecue and say you want a hot dog and eat your hot dog, you know, dog. Somebody will record you right now and wait for you, you know. Somebody's waiting on you, bro.
Somebody will watch you.
Yeah, man, somebody will watch you. Once you take up the hot dog, somebody will watch you, bro. And as soon as you decide to say, yeah, so you just go, bro, going double glizzies, that's crazy. Like, damn.
Yo, you know, I have a theory. the two funniest people in the world are actually Black Americans and Jamaicans.
I agree. Yeah. Why would you pick them? I think Black Americans are hilarious.
Bro, as a Jamaican, although me consider, we are like the funniest, Black people are like, guitar, you see Black Americans here?
Bro.
Oh, Lord, the man them funny, me no want them roast me, no.
Yo, they have some sayings that I be loving. Like, it's when a black person said, turn them every which way but loose. Dog.
What? What? Turn what?
When somebody get beat up. That's for them talk.
What them say?
When somebody get beat up.
Them say what?
Turn them every which way but loose.
Me never hear that one before.
No, that's like a down south country.
Yo, me never hear that one before.
Turn them every which way but loose.
Brother, I see a video the other day with like this girl. She's like a security. And the guys them in the neighborhood are trouble her. And the girl kind of, she have like a body. So the man them see her and the man them pan. Who's that? Rod Wave? Who's that? Rod Wave? Somebody in the background them pan. Yeah, dog.
Roasted. Roasted.
Yo, somebody a shout out. Hey, dog. The girl start crying.
Yeah, of course. Bro.
Yo, you see the man in Macama. Yo, you see if a man.
Yankee cook.
All right, for instance, look on the shoes that we have on.
What the hell?
What the hell? Oh, no. Oh, my God.
What are those?
Oh, my God. No, Black American people funny that. I'm not lie. Like, in terms of all of the races, we're up here, are the different type of black people.
Yeah, man.
I feel like Black American people funny by it.
Hilarious.
I like there on the man make me laugh. But the man can make me laugh.
I think I'd say the closest I'd say is Jamaica and them. Nigeria and them funny to still,
Nigeria and them funny, but
they be dramatic though. Yeah. They be saying shit that's like.
Me I talk about like if a Black American man hold you, wait.
Why?
Dog, we need to get rid of this, But if a Black American man like you and him in a roasting competition, you're doomed.
Oh, it's over. It's over. It's absolutely over. Your best bet, especially if you're in America, it's done. You're done. You're done. You're leaving. You're either going to leave or you're going to want to fight.
And the man them accent bad too. Somebody accent them. Man them accent all over the place.
Yeah. I mean, the country accent them I feel like are the baddest one them still.
Like the Atlanta, the Louisiana.
Yeah.
Them the down south accent them.
Yeah. The East Coast one them aggressive.
I feel like because it did have a lot of Jamaican. New York heavily influenced by Jamaica,
True.
So
very true.
Them I understand why them so miserable.
I think it's the Jamaican and the Italian influence. Cause Italian people aggressive too. I feel like New York have that mixture of black and Italian aggression.
You know what the sad part though, dog? Me can't really find like to me. I find it hard to like take like a man aggression if him like too short.
That's who be aggressive too.
And of them are like the most aggressive. Like me, yo, me not tall. So me can't say this.
Yeah.
Me at 5'10".
Yeah.
I'ma feel like when I'm on a like 5'3", 5'4", man just.
And that's why they want to fight all the time. Because that's how everybody treat them.
But the man them so aggressive too.
But they feel like that's how it in at them head sometimes too, Sometimes you could have treat them normal, Them call it a Napoleon complex. Them feel like you just treat them away.
For no reason.
For no reason. You could have tell everybody for go sit down and them not go sit down. I say, yo, dad, could I sit down right there? So, and pick on him now.
Yeah. I don't want nobody say me height shame, Because A tall man can't beat me up, you know.
There's like, no way.
Them too lanky, virgin.
Yeah, but they have more reach and like
Yeah, but if me up close, man, a tall man not beat me up, dog. Them lanky, my youth. Me don't know. That's just one of my my far out thinking.
Yeah.
A short man have a probability of beating me up than a tall man.
So you think somebody that is 5'2"
if
could
you're
beat
6'8",
you up
you
over
can't beat me.
somebody that's 6'8"?
7 foot, you can't beat me up.
All right, 7 foot. All right, I do think there's like a
6'8", you can't beat me up.
I think there's a diminishing returns on height. To be fair,
6'8", can't beat me.
All right.
You see a 6'4",
Yeah.
beat the shit out of me.
Yeah, but 6'8", it's too off balance.
Me feel like you start get lanky when you reach certain age, certain height.
Yeah.
That me can't
Punch them take too long for reach and them kind of something.
Every tall man me know, me can't say waste man. Yeah, me say waste man. Every tall man me know like them can't really fight like that, my youth.
Yeah, because they've never had to.
Why? Because people afraid to fight them?
People afraid to fight them.
Majority of the fights them on me getting the people them taller than me, you know.
Yeah.
But just always used to believe, say, yo, you're tall, you can't fight.
So you're the short guy that was picking on the tall people.
Me not pick on them, but me just feel like as a short man, me not feel like a tall man can beat
necessarily,
me.
but
Yeah, but me not feel like tall people can beat me up. Might be delusional.
So do you think...
If you're too tall, you can't beat me.
All right, so just like how...
If you're too short, I'm afraid of you. Because you might stab me. You might stab me.
So are you afraid of short people? You might be afraid of short people.
Me never yet meet like a non-aggressive short man.
Yeah, but you are the aggressive person to tall people.
No, I'm not aggressive to tall people. I just not believe them can beat me up. Like a tall man cannot beat me up.
Yes, but why are you concerned with whether or not a tall person can beat you up?
Man, for a long time. Tall person, them center of gravity, they miss and all.
Do you see tall people and go, yo, I'm gonna kick down that brother?
Yo, man, not like, sorry, yo. Yo, if me and your friend are you tall, a regular me I look by you and say, yo, all you wait this up. Me can't jump and thump in your face and I can't nothing about that, you know. But genuinely I believe that them can't fight, bro.
I mean, as I said, they've probably never trained. 'Cause I feel like tall
Brother,
people
the hardest man for fight are like 5'7".
Yeah. Yeah.
5'7"?
That's true. But that's like average height though.
Yeah, that's like how tall is like Mike Tyson and them man they're like 5'10".
Yeah, 5'10".
5'10", you know, all them, me just feel like, but me feel like 5'3" you now beat me up. Me I kick you out. Me I kick your foot. Me I push you down and garbage.
Bless Sila.
Me I put you down and garbage bin.
So
me I roll up in one garbage bin and throw you away.
So if you were to go into like a professional fight, you would prefer if your opponent was taller than you.
Yeah, than a man who are like 5'5". A man who are 5'5" are trouble for fight. Him have whole heap for proof to me, to the world, to him Pitney. Like, him have whole heap for proof.
And you know he been training. He's just ready.
A man who are 5'5". Yo, when you see him run and just jump up in the ring, oh Lord.
It's over.
Oh my God.
The man is very serious still.
Majority of the man them in the world were like Napoleon and like Floyd Mayweather. These are not like tall men.
No.
The man them were bad and can't fight.
Yeah, that's true. Pacquiao not tall neither.
You never watch tall people fight yet. It disgusts me. Tall man disgusts me when they fight, my youth.
Very lanky punches, man.
Me fight a tall brother already. Yo, the man take forever to talk me. I say, yo, me give man about 4. Boom, 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 boom. Rock him.
Still a swing. Jaja.
I'm not afraid of tall people, my youth.
Jaja.
Me feel better when it's a tall person.
So you would have, so you feel like you have speed pan a tall person?
Me feel like me have everything pan a tall person.
But you don't have the reach. You don't have
me
like
kick with him foot.
Yeah, but a tall person could attack you from a distance where you can't attack them.
How?
I mean, how?
You know, me I go see him foot a forward from a mile. He might kick off for me and look for him foot and move out of the way. Just imagine that.
So you feel like okay, so you prefer fighting tall people. You feel like you can outrun a bear.
No. If I should fight,
Yeah.
I would rather fight a tall person than a short man.
Okay.
A short man have the probability to beat me up.
Than a tall person.
Yeah.
So if you fighting a tall person, you going with the same aggression and mentality that short person you think would have come fight you with.
Me not fight fair, you know. Me a thump him now them balls, you know. Boom, boom, boom. It's Me's not really a fear fighter, you know.
That's crazy.
No, brother, me not fight fear. Brother, me had to lose a fight, me bite ya. Grab on panel piece of your side and tear it out.
You need to do like MMA or something, bro. You gotta do blood sports, bro.
No, me not fight nobody, no. When me younger, oh God.
Yeah.
When me younger, me not like, when me used to fight, me normally leave me mark. You know, me used to like love fight.
Wow.
Me used to look for tall people to fight them.
So that means you are the aggressor. You are the short person to tall people.
Like when me the younger,
okay, so you see like how you're going, boy, I don't know about short people, you know. Them just always want to fight. You are that to tall people.
Yeah. Like, yo, me remember that the last time I fight me was like 17.
Yeah.
And I distinctively remember this tall man be like, yo, dog, just easy enough. Me remember him I say, yo, easy enough. Easy the way I ease yourself, like, youth.
Bro.
Me remember him keep on and say,
dog, chill now.
Yeah, and him a do it in front of a girl and them think that no. No.
That's all worse.
Man will lose their life for a woman, you know. Dog, a girl make me take on about 100 caliber man in a bus park already, you know.
Judger. Hold up. No, I need to hear that story.
Because me never want to run because she did it.
So now you have to fight.
Yeah. She used to live at Portmore. So me used to have to follow her at the bus, follow her at Fear Terminal. She used to take the 17. I'm did that wait upon her to get her 17. And the barman them did that walk past. And when me the younger, you used to have to take off your tie certain time of the year. But as a college man, we nah take off a tie. And in no circumstances, my tie come off of my neck. Yeah. So I stand up and I wait upon her to take the bus. And I see like some barman walk past me and he's like, I say, yo, we are the wrong. I say, lift up. And I say, no, I'm not move. And the girl, I said, Deal. No, you can leave. I said, no. I me I gotta take right now. Can't do this.
Nah, see, man, come run you off a place.
Worse, but did it with my girl.
Run you off a place.
Brother, I have a little T-skirt in my back of my neck like a sword. I said, all right then. No, them boy, you beat me up, you know. Cause whole heap of them shot.
Judger.
Yeah, but I buck a one tall one.
I just went for it.
Yo, you see when them yo, you see when me see the whole of the man them a rush me?
Yeah.
One man grab on my bag. I'm a swivel out of my bag. I run across the road.
Yeah.
I run across the road. It's like me just run because I need time. Like
this
charge
is
towards them. This is a bus park. It's a bus park. Brother, so me I run back to them.
Yeah.
You know, bus park have a little stairs. I jump off of the stairs like Sparty because with my T-screen. Yes! Kong! Left it now on man head side. But then they beat me up.
Wow.
Them they beat me up, you freak. But not lie. Me get one for beat up.
Listen, that was a...
Me not even go hide and talk. Yo, you out there, man them from Calabar where they beat me up in a bus park. Look at me now.
Look at me now.
You probably came out to nothing. But I remember when you beat me up in the bus park. Never forget.
Straight. Nah, take no beat up just so.
No, man, they beat me up, man. They beat me up bad, man. Me not lie. Me not lie. You're just... Boy. No, man, them boy, they beat me up bad, man. Boy, I wish them man are the worst.
Damn. You ever watch an anime and...
We should hold on to their jail.
You ever watch an anime when the character get beat up and one memory?
Yo, it come like a memory lane. Me just got through like...
Now get a flashback.
No, man. No, man, they beat me up, man. Me not lie.
That's crazy.
Them bar you, them not ever forget still. Me not do nothing. I'm wishing you the worst.
Straight.
Wishing you the worst,
Straight
brother.
gozo. Straight gozo.
Brother, when I tell you the man them keep me up, me have to just cover like a ball.
Yeah.
I be a keep the man them keep me.
Damn.
When I man them did that, when I man them did active like I joke me with a pen. But it don't look like nothing did really go on though.
Oh, so he was just there, just messing around.
But me did look cool though.
I take beat up.
No, because I was me though. The girl that I talked to, she used to go, that girl that used to go KT.
You know, say me I walk on my bridge one time and some KT man rob him.
So wait, you never did it?
I was there. They never robbed me.
Say Gary did that bridge and get robbed.
Dog, so where I walk, bro. All right, you know that unwritten rule when you walk in.
You don't run with your friend though.
No, I did not run leave him. I didn't run leave him. But you know that unwritten rule when you walk and you just get very quiet when
other person are walk near.
I pass you. I guess him never get that rule there. Right? So where I walk and about four KT youth I walk come up. And him says something to me, bro. And the moment him says something, cause is a very, if you think me sound nerdy, him sound extra nerdy. So as soon as him says something, bro, it's like the man them just hear the chiching pan him. And just a ratchet pop off and the man them say, yo, don't move. And just pat him down and take him wallet and just walk off.
But where were you?
I was right there. What me I gonna do?
Stop it.
Dog, me not take no stab. And him never da fight. So him never da fight. And me not gonna fight if you not fight. And you get robbed.
That's crazy. You see, as a college man,
me not get no stab,
as a college man, him a go just rob it two away.
I mean, that's what I thought was going to happen. That's what I thought was going to happen. And then Robbie man just walk off and I was like, John, no dog.
One time me I get robbed when me I come from KC to Ratted and the man gets so upset with me. Robber did I go beat me. Robber said to me, the man said, yo, it was late. Me I come home from me I walk out town. Probably like around 7:30 after tracks training. And the man like stopped me. Like me I walk through like spoilers. And the man stopped me. The man said to me, the man said, yo, man, where the phone there? I said, I look through my bag, everything. Man said, you not on the phone. I said, no, I'm not on the phone. Man, I dig down the bag, the man search me. Man can't find the phone. So, see, man, I look for the bag. Cause KC bag, the trucks bag have something where it's like a hidden part. I keep my phone. Brother, the man dig down the bag, you know. And the man, I feel the phone, and the man says, so yo, man, say not on the phone. Me, I said, no, I'm not on the phone, brother. The man turned the bag inside out. I have him on the phone with the zipper there. The man says, I look for me. So, yo, me ask you again. You're not on the phone? I said, no. Man say, why your number?
Judge.
Me said, no, I'm not on the phone. All of a sudden, the man just start here. Me I look for the man and say, yo, Juvenile, you're not on the phone.
Cha-cha. But I know what that is.
Yo, they're telling me about iPhone 4.
Damn.
Yo.
Damn.
Dog, the man just open it.
Gone.
Right as me I walk off, the man say, yo, hey, Juvenile. What size are we?
Think you get away.
Man, take my shoes, brother.
You thought you got away.
Man, take my Clarks. Me have a size 9 Clarks. So I'm bank robber.
Damn. Gone.
Size 9 bank robber, dog. Take it from me. Boy, all them days, my youth. Boy, school in Jamaica never normal, you know.
Not at all. Not at all.
You never know nothing. You never survive. You never. Where did you do at school when I read book? You never ever read book. But clearly you never ever
never survive. So never have to survive.
No, I had to survive. You never have to survive.
You never really go school like that, dog. You never have to survive like how we never survive.
But you go hope. You school up on what I road the name?
It's Arden Road.
Arden Road.
Yeah.
You own your whole road. The school own the whole road. I be at some big pretty nice house beside Arden Road.
Yeah. It's on the way to New Kingston.
Brother, when me I got can't see them night sometime I'll curfew though. You can't even enter the school.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. When I got George's, I was like, this is not.
Yeah.
This is not my neighborhood, you know?
Yo, me remember one day. One day, I don't know Casey and George's, we used to fight sometime. And one day, this one guy from George's, I don't know why him feel like so like brave and empowered, but him is a parent.
Yeah.
And it looked like, I know a girl used to go George's.
Yeah.
So apparently one Casey youth used to talk to, like him daughter, and I don't know what transpired. But during training, him just it just come to his mind to just come over the school and like just drape up the youth.
That's crazy.
In at the middle of the school. And dog, when I tell you, this man look like him, the inner like him 30s or 40.
Yeah.
We beat this man to a pulp.
Damn.
We beat this man so much.
Jaja.
Yo, one if a boy one place is not safe, you know.
I
be a
don't know
testosterone that in a dog.
I don't know what he was thinking about going to fight a youth at an all-boys
school. That
That's
was
crazy.
actually insane.
And if if the boy was dating a girl there, then it have to be like sixth form, because I believe the girls were only
Screen blank, yeah?
I believe the girls were only in sixth form, so it had to be like an older.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
this is an 18-year-old boy.
Yeah, this is an adult. You're fighting a grown man at this
a
point.
grown man.
In the peak of his life.
Strong him
Training.
a training boy.
Oh yeah, man. Him get mashed up.
In another. No. Imagine that. Him there with other boy.
That are all training.
That are all training. Boy, we get this, boy, we beat this man till him sick.
Boy.
We beat this man till all the principal come. You're the principal, but you're not a smart guy.
Judge.
Big up Mr. Mary. Mr. Mary said, but you're not a smart guy.
That's crazy.
Why would you do that?
That's crazy. Are you not trained? You have to train to that. I don't know where you think this thing was.
Yo, boy, today me go down a nice little memory lane, you know?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
you see you look for me a while ago, I don't know where you think me do that, I say me go down, you know.
But me give you a chance to make you finish what you say, you know, before me why, you know.
No, that me I tell you.
Isn't
Yo,
it?
well, people, remember, like, share, comment, subscribe. Remember if you put anything on what me and Crooks talk about in the
comments.
In the comments. Crooks is a nerd, okay? So Crooks are the bright youth. Although find out today I'm probably brighter.
Yeah, I'm brighter than me still. I'm just a nerd and shit.
Crooks just speak proper English.
Yeah, that's about it.
Yeah.
My speak is spooky.
Yeah, you want them speak is spoken Jamaican there.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man. Like, share, comment, subscribe, you know. We're consistent now, you know. So don't complain.
See you there?
All
Love
right.
the love in the comments, everybody. Big up on yourself. You see it?
Boom. We're out of here. Ba-da-pa-pa-pa.
If it be,
Where you get this if I know me a own thing from Virgin?